gonna take some time to go over some tourniquets here. There's not gonna be any shooting or anything worth anything happening in all this ice. It's just wasting ammo at this point. So I got a CAT tourniquet here. These are the ones you want. I mean, there are junk ones. These are practice only. I have this one here. That was Chinese made. Junk, will not even cinch down. I have that just to prove to people. Anyways, I'm gonna open this one up, show you how to use it real quick. So I'm gonna attempt to get this on one-handed here in the ice. See how this works. Anyways, you're gonna have this thing preloaded, but you would have it folded up and stored. But you've got it preloaded anyways, where you can slip it over any extremity you need. So I can use, like say, my thigh, which it is a larger thigh, but as you see, it fits. Say I have a bleed right down here right above my kneecap or something. You're wanting to go 2 to 3 inches. Hurry up, and you're going to cinch that down. Wrap it completely around. You don't want to be able to get any fingers in there. You want this as tight as you can possibly get it. And obviously you have your closure strap there, but you're going to take your windlass and you are going to wrap this thing until your bleeding stops. You are going to wrap this, and I mean, it's going to be tight as tight. And if you are bleeding or going to bleed out, you're not going to care how tight this is. You just want to live. So say you get that as tight as you need it, or has to be. You tuck your windlass underneath the catch here. Move that Velcro piece across, that way it can't slip out. You can always tighten this down some more. I'm not going to tighten it down anymore because that's already uncomfortable. So I'm going to go ahead and just keep it right there, but you can see I can't even get a finger underneath there. I think the rule of thumb is if you can get 3 fingers underneath, you need to rewrap, retighten. This is easy. This is easy stuff to work with. Can save your life. I carry one every day. My little hip pocket here. It's a good thing to have, good thing to know. A lot of people don't understand how tourniquets work. They buy them and they just throw them away in the bag, whatever. They're just wasted. So you need to carry one at all times. I carry one at work everywhere I go. Like I said, there's junk ones, but you need to get the CAT tourniquets. There's some other tourniquets out there that are good, but these are the ones that are proven.